Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will show you a little placemat for table with colorful leftover wool I am using for this pattern. Okay, start the video tutorial. For the placemat, you can easily to change the size smaller or bigger for table and for other uses in home. This pattern I am using a double knit medium weight 4-ply wool, 4mm crochet hook, different colors I am using. If you want to make in large size, use one color. I am using a leftover wool in different colors for the pattern. Make a loop, chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, slip stitch and make a one circle, little circle or make a magic circle. 3 chains, we count first double crochet, count these 3 chain, we count first double crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, double crochet 14, 15 and 16. I have in row 1 16 double crochet. These 3 chain we count first double crochet, make one slip stitch. In row 1 I have 16 double crochet. In the same stitch, join color or continue the same color. Make 3 chains, we count first double crochet, 1 double crochet into the same stitch here. 3 chains and skip the next stitch, make double crochet 2 in the next stitch. Continue the same work around 3 chains, skip the next double crochet, in the next double crochet make double crochet 2, 1, 2, 3 chains, skip next stitch and make double crochet 2 in the next stitch. Continue the same work around. At the end of row 2, make chains 1, 2, 3 and skip the next stitch. In the next stitch make double crochet 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. At the end 3 chains and slip stitch in the first third chain, double crochet stitch and slip stitch in the next double crochet and finish the color. Row 3, here in the first third chain join again, join yarn again in the third chain. 3 chains, we count first double crochet, in the next double crochet stitch make 1 double crochet. In the chain space make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches and follow the same work around. In the chain space make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And in the next double crochet stitches make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Continue and follow the same work around. Okay, here at the end make a double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4 double crochet and make 1 slip stitch in the first third chain, double crochet stitch. Okay, now 1, 2, 3 I have completed 3 rounds. In the next row 4 join into the first double crochet stitch. In make 3 chains, we count first double crochet in the first stitch, make double crochet. Here 2 double crochet into the first stitch and into the next double crochet, make double crochet 2. And now skip 1 2 3 4 double crochet and make 5 chains here. 1 2 3 4 5 chains. Skip 1 2 3 4 double crochet into the next 2 double crochet stitches, make 2 double crochet in each stitch, 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 and 2, and make chains 5 1 2 3 4 5. In here skip this 4 double crochet in the next double crochet stitch, make a double crochet 2 and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Continue and follow the same work around, then slip stitch. Okay, I have completed 1 2 3 4 row. Make a chains 1 2 3 4 5 and slip stitch in the first third chain. 1 2 3 in the first double crochet stitch, third chain, make 1 slip stitch and finish. I have completed 1 2 3 4 rows, and now join into the first stitch with a slip stitch, join, make 1 chain. In this chain we don't count, make a single crochet into the same stitch here, and again 3 chains. Skip this 2 double crochet in the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Follow the pattern. Here into the space, make 1 half double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3, 1 2 3, 3 chains, slip stitch in the first double crochet, middle double crochet stitch. In here double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and half double crochet into the chain space. Follow the same work, and into the next 4 stitches, first stitch make 1 single crochet, 3 chains, and skip 2 double crochet, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and into the chain space follow the same work, half double crochet 1, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3, 3 chains, and into the double crochet stitch make 1 slip stitch and double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and 1 half double crochet, and into the 4 stitches make 1 single crochet into the double crochet stitch, 1 2 3, 3 chains, skip 1 2 stitches in the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. Continue and follow the same work around, then slip stitch. Okay, here at the end 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 group in the last chain space, in the last half double crochet, and finish into the first single crochet stitch, make 1 slip stitch and finish the pattern. Okay friends, we have finished a little placemat for table. You can easily to change the size smaller or bigger in the written pattern. We explain more sizes, link in the description box. Like and share this video for more videos. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new videos. Thanks for watching.